So we designed this van because we lived in a van for 4 years, totally off-grid. Yes, we took out some hotels, we tried some villas, we tried some campsite, but actually we found that what worked for us was something that wasn't fixed in one place. We made the bunks sliding. We wanted to have this ability to just sit down and look out whilst we're reading a book, or slide them back and have all the kids on top. Even from the opposite direction, they slide, so we can sit and watch a movie together at night. We fold the seats down, the bunks come out completely, the seats come out completely. So if you wanted to use this van as a van, you can. We wanted windows in the back because we didn't have that before, but we want to have blinds. We didn't want the tinted windows because we want to see out, but the blinds allow us to have that privacy. The dining room setup has been set up from a functional and practical point of view. We homeschool, so we've had 3 kids homeschooling. We need that space around a table, but actually when we're eating, we don't sit and eat the meal all in one place. A couple of the kids want something else, so they're sat on the floor. We're often barbecuing outside. So we wanted a dining table that could be fixed, but also we could take it down and fold it away. We never used an indoor shower. We were always near campsite, beaches, hotels, service stations. But what we did use was something to wash our feet off when we were getting in and out of the muddy puddles, or when we came off the beach. So that's why we decided to go with the bullfinch on the back of this, because we can just attach the shower to the back. If we want a shower, we've got hot and cold feed there. We've also got the barbecue outlet because we loved to barbecue. We like a cold barbecue, but you know, let's use gas too. With the cooking area, we didn't like the camping gas stoves. They didn't work for us, so we wanted something nice like a feature hob. This 90-litre fridge, it's a must with a family. You want to have a space where you can actually have a decent amount of food in there that doesn't go off. And the flap up area that extends the kitchen slightly, but it also acts as a space to do a bit of work from. So whilst I'm publishing books or journals, helping prep the kids with their own, or filing invoices, whatever it is, it gave us that flexibility. The overhead lockers are a must in a camper van because you've always got something to store. So we didn't need any big cupboard hanging space because we never used it. You could take an Aldi or Lidl shopping bag and fit that inside an actual suitcase. So instead of having a hard suitcase, we could squish that down and put it in the overhead locker. We can get all 5 people's clothes in the overhead locker, which means we didn't have to have any hanging space. We like to sit and put the iPad up at night onto the windowsill, have a little bit of a family cuddle, watch a film, and it's just been a really lovely van. So I hope you enjoy it just as much as we've enjoyed designing it and building it.